Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Just another breakfast idea, a delicious spinach omelet. I used 1 egg and egg whites, about a half a cup of egg whites to make this beautiful large omelet. Fresh spinach and a little bit of my Romano Zerto cheese, about a tablespoon. I used a little bit of all-purpose spice and some pepper. I also made my 2-ingredient bagels. Today I added some Romano cheese, and just for fun I added the everything spice, but with some sunflower seeds to give it a little crunch. And I added that inside as well, just a little bit. The other thing I made was my strawberry rhubarb sauce, and I added some Greek yogurt. So, for 1 bagel, 2 smart points. The egg on Freestyle is 0, and the yogurt is 0, as well as the rhubarb. So a huge breakfast, especially after a workout, is fantastic. I hope you like this video and it helps you on your journey as well. Continue to subscribe and visit me at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa.